Hey, hello guys, how are you? Most apartment doors look the same. Dark, plain, boring. You walk down the hallway and it feels like you're in a factory, not a home. So I thought, what if my door number didn't just say 8, but said, "Welcome to level 8." This is my 3D printed, hand-painted, cyberpunk-inspired door badge. No cheap stickers, no plain plates. This is like the VIP entrance to a boss fight. I designed it to look like it came straight out of a sci-fi video game, circuit board patterns, bold colors, and a frame that basically screams, "You need a key card just to knock on this door." It's not just a number, it's a statement. When delivery guys come by, they don't just drop off my order. They ask, is this an apartment or a secret lab? Now my neighbors' doors, they look like they're still running Windows 95. But mine, this is apartment 8, 0 the upgrade. So yeah, next time someone asks me where I live, I won't just say number 8, I'll say, "Welcome to level 8, prepare to enter."